Caps.
Oh man, finally rescue the network.
Credit for that. I mean, I've been sitting there in Paul's ear all night. Well. Paul and Verducci keep shutting down my idea of bringing 2-0 to New York. I was kind of with you, Eric. Hey, the second thought, and then I'll shut up.
Yeah.
That looks totally weird. I don't think we should ever do it again.
I'm so glad you threw it out here, because if I was at home, I'd have been like changing it.
Whatever.
Hey, so Greg, here we go. We're going to explain what we're doing here. We're going to play a game, all right? Carlos came up with this today. He grew up playing this game. But before we get into it, this is a wiffle ball. See the size of this? This is a regular baseball. This is what we're going to try to hit.
Yeah.
What? Okay, explain it.
Exactly. Guys, this is what we call vitilla. Let's just say caps. That's what I transliterated into English. This is caps. Basically, something we play in the Dominican Republic. 83 players, so major league players, were from the Dominican Republic in the big league rosters in 2015. 83 Dominican players in the big leagues. And what did they have in common? Common denominator. I'm telling you, 99.99% play vitilla. So I'll tell you right now, the superstars, David Ortiz, he played vitilla, okay? Nelson Cruz, he played vitilla. He played caps. So we're going to play a little game right here. So
let's show them what is this and explain the tools here.
Well,
this
is pretty much a broomstick. Yeah.
This is what a wiffle ball bat would look like. Here's the size of a baseball bat. Okay, so we're using this.
It costs you nothing. Just your mom's money.
What do you think? Tom, you excited?
We haven't played. Throw.
I will say
the tough part's throwing it.
This is interesting because Carlos and I played together for 5 different winters on Licey in the Dominican Republic. And a lot of times, I'd say almost 50% of the time, we would have batting practice rain out. And every time we would go and he taught me that it was popcorn seeds.
Yes.
And we would take batting practice with popcorn seeds. And I felt like we used some sort of time. We would go and he taught me that it was popcorn seeds.
Yes.
And we would take batting practice with popcorn seeds. And I felt like we used some sort of, popcorn seeds and fungo.
Yep. And make it a little bit tougher, challenging, and the next thing you know, the baseball looks like this, huge.
I've seen guys play with real bottle caps, even tougher, right?
Yeah.
Supersized version.
Yeah, this is a great game because now when the ball's spinning, when you hit it, the ball's
spinning. Okay, I'll go here. You throw it so they can see at home what it's going to look like, okay? And you guys can come up. You're up first, I think.
Yeah, you're up first. It's Harold and I against you, too.
So really? Okay, let me see it. So let them see at home before you swing, Eric, what this is going to look like.
Whoa.
That means get out of the batter's box.
Excuse me, Eric.
All right, so
why does Eric always get like this? Why?
The key is you flip this thing underhand like that, and you can do all kinds of different movements with it. And accuracy's, obviously, Carlos has got this down. All right? So there it is. You ready?
Now, how do you guys normally play, though?
So now, when you hit this, if it's still spinning on the ground and I pick it up before it settles, then you're out. All right? Now, if you hit it off the wall, it's a double. You hit it into the seats or above the second, tear right there.
That ain't happening.
But I doubt you'll do that, especially with one type of pitching.
All right.
All right? Here we go. Harold, you'll get it. Don't let it settle, all right?
All right, I'm on settle.
You hit it. Whoa! Right there! Harold, that was right there! Strike one. That was right there!
What is it?
That was a strike.
Yeah, that was a strike. Hey, Tom, don't get hit by the backswing. My goodness. No way. You ready, Verducci? You want to try it?
Verducci.
Come on, Tom. Try it.
Great game.
Oh, my God.
You got me.
Wow.
Oh, look at him giving the eye test on it. All right.
Here we go.
Oh, look at Tom. Verducci putting that thing in. Wow. Good job, Tom.
Some contact.
Man.
I'm chucking those things. Here you go.
I got you.
You can play this all day. This really helps you, your hand-eye coordination. Kids, I mean, if you can get a hold of this, it's this awesome way to get your skills up to par, man. I'm telling you.
All right, you gonna hold it with the blue or the?
Yeah, you just flip it around, get a better grip right here,
All right, there you go. Oh, go get it, Eric! Don't let it stop! Don't let it stop!
Get that!
Eric, get it before it stops!
I think that settled before you got it.
That was a great effort. Great effort, man. Great effort.
Seriously, am I that bad of a hitter?
That was a blast. That's what you do, buddy.
All right, man. Well, we're getting ready to start the second group. Tom and Bermsey, thank you, man. Great night tonight.
That was worth us sticking around.
You understand? Hit some, Bermsey?
I'll pitch you more if you
I
want
need something.
That was all right. You can sure. Hey, Verduz, nice job, man. Hey, Greg, back to you, man. How great was that?
That was my favorite segment ever. That was so much fun to watch. This is pretty good, too.